Okay, YouTube. So I have been dealing with the Whirlpool Duet washing machine. This washing machine basically had, I guess this must be an older one or something, because I YouTubed this. I normally YouTube everything to try and fix it myself because it takes forever to get somebody out here. So there was an error that came through. It was a beeping sound, and the wash button here, this button right here, was beeping. Like it beeped once and then it beeped 10 times. So that 10 times, or 9 times, something like that, 9 or 10 times. Anyway, what I found out is that means that the drain plug is full. And that's that. So you take off the cover piece here, which this one, poor design by the way, Whirlpool. You actually have to lift this up. If you're one person, it's almost impossible. But the screws are down here. They're little. They're just crazy place. Of course, this ridge here, there's a ridge on both ends with these pegs. This has to slide up. So you have to actually have it at an angle to do this. Well, the unfortunate thing is that my washer was full when this happened. So I had to unplug it, then tip it, have someone help me tip it, and then take the plugs out, drain the water out with your shop vac. Or actually, I plugged it back in. I was able to unlock the door because I couldn't figure out how to unlock the door to it, because it has a safety feature that you can't open up the door when there's water in it for obvious reasons. But I went ahead and plugged it back in. That allowed me to turn the power on, push play, then let it cycle, then pause it, and it immediately unlocks that door lock. Then you can open it up and use your shop vac to get the water out in your clothes. Otherwise, you can't get it out. But after that got done, I found out that I can't do it now. I decided to make this video because I looked at this, I looked it up, and I could not find anything. There are videos out there about the Whirlpool Duet that you look up, and it says beeping, annoying beeping sound. Well, you watch the video, and nobody fixes it. They don't give you any answers. So I decided to upload this because it has the answer. So this right here twists. There's going to be water that comes out, so you want to put a pan underneath here. And this comes out. What was in there was a bunch of junk. Let me show you. I don't even know how this happens. But there was change, of course a face mask, go Chiefs. I was wondering where that was. Hair ties, I don't even know what this is, part of a sock. All kinds of stuff got trapped in there. And that's what clogged it and did not allow it to drain. So after you take that trap out, which there's plenty of videos on how to do that, so you can look at that elsewhere, but that just twists off. Same thing that I'm doing here now. But unfortunately, not just this was full, but I know this is inconvenient, but this part right here was full. So you have to take this ring off, and there was a rag or something that was inside of here too that didn't make it down to the trap. So you had to clean this part out too. While you're at it, you also want to, and they'll tell you that on other videos, is to look in this hole too, in case anything got stuck in there. But there you go, YouTube. You finally have the answer that you're looking for. The Whirlpool Duet, annoying beeping sound. Now you can fix it yourself. It took a little longer for me, but it won't for you now. You're welcome.